Business workshops provide taster opportunities for companies to sample and find out about new trends, ideas and developments in software and ICT that can benefit their business.
The workshops held by Software Alliance Wales are a great opportunity to bring together businesses from all different areas so that they can share experiences around ICT and software topics. And the areas that we covered in our workshop were given background information on how companies could prepare a quote so that when they went out and got quotes from local companies, they were able to know what they were going to get for their money, and then to go through what information they would need to prepare in advance in order to create a website that did exactly what their business needed. At the end then we were able to run a bit of a Q&A session where we were able to answer direct questions from the companies that attended, giving them more specific information to their actual requirements, meaning that when they went away from the actual workshop they were well armed and equipped to go forward and prepare a brief for a company to create their website. These workshops that Software Alliance Wales work in is just one area that they're covering, and I think it's just what local SMEs need.
The project has already put in place a programme of business workshops over the next few months that companies can benefit from.
Just knowing that there's support out there if you need it is really reassuring for businesses across Wales.